Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, July 24th. I was looking for unchanged to higher in the NASDAQ market. That is not what we have. Basically, we do have kind of an unchanged type day here in that market, but I was looking for follow through. My bias was for a move to the upside. We had some numbers that came out on the earnings side that really wasn't favorable, at least not the way the market looked at it, and we can see some weakness here. I still think Friday we have a chance for buyers to come back in. I do not think people want to go home short over the weekend. And in the currencies, the euro did firm up. We did see follow through from those buyers as we talked about. Now, for Friday's action, I look for that to continue, but not in a dramatic way. But when it comes to interest rates, they firmed up because of what we saw in the stock market. I do not look for follow through here to the upside, but rather a red candle right next to this green candle for Friday's action. Gold, nothing telling us to be a buyer. I still look for continued weakness in that market. Downward pressure, I think, is going to remain. Also, when it comes to crude oil, let's get that up here. Crude oil continues weaker. Also, I think that makes sense. And a dramatic move down, I wouldn't be surprised to see another day like Thursday's action, a break, and then a little shadow on the bottom as people even up as we go into the weekend. But soybeans, mixed bag. We're seeing some selling coming into the market. Right now, this would imply follow through for Friday, but I think it's going to be somewhat muted on Friday's action. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I'm looking forward to being with you again, and as always, take care.